Welcome to the Best Picks. The best American drug culture is probably one of the most complex and pervasive societal issues facing the United States today, deeply intertwined with its history, economy, and social fabric, influencing everything from public health policies and law enforcement strategies to individual lives and community well-being, making it a critical subject for understanding contemporary America. Number 5. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may influence your chances of developing certain health conditions and optimize your wellness with personalized diet, exercise, and sleep insights. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions, empowering you to make informed decisions for your future family. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. Gain science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey and explore your unique genetic makeup. What we like. Discover your genetic predispositions and carrier status for health conditions. Explore your family tree and understand your origins. If you are looking for a comprehensive overview of your health and ancestry, this is the choice for you. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive and insightful exploration of the historical and social factors that have shaped drug use and policy in America. The author meticulously details the evolution of various drug subcultures, offering a nuanced understanding of their origins and impact. Readers will appreciate the extensive research and the clear, accessible writing style that makes complex topics understandable. Number 4. North American Herb and Spice OregaResp P73. Introducing OregaResp P73, your daily partner for robust immune and respiratory health. This unique formula is designed to help you feel your best, naturally. Harnessing the power of nature, our product features a potent blend of spice oils, including the renowned oregano P73. Experience the synergistic benefits of this carefully crafted complex. Breathe easier with targeted support for your respiratory system. This supplement is formulated to promote clear airways and overall respiratory well-being. We are committed to quality. Our product is non-GMO, ensuring you receive a pure and natural supplement. Trust in our dedication to your health. Each bottle provides a convenient 30-day supply, making it easy to incorporate into your daily wellness routine. Just one serving a day supports your health goals. Discover the difference that premium ingredients and thoughtful formulation can make. Choose OregaResp P73 for comprehensive immune and respiratory support. What we like. This blend offers powerful immune and respiratory support with a unique spice oil complex. If you are seeking natural ways to bolster your defenses, especially during seasonal changes, this is a great option. What people say. The American drug culture is a comprehensive and insightful exploration of the multifaceted relationship between drugs and American society. It delves into the historical, social, and political dimensions of drug use, offering a nuanced perspective on a complex issue. The book provides a wealth of factual information and scholarly analysis, making it an invaluable resource for students, researchers, and anyone interested in understanding the dynamics of drug culture in America. Number 3. Wang Nuruk Makgeolli Starter. Discover the traditional taste of Korean rice wine with our authentic starter. It's the perfect culture for your home brewing journey. Brewing your own Makgeolli has never been easier. This kit provides everything you need to create delicious rice wine in your own home. Experience the magic of traditional fermentation. Our starter ensures a rich and authentic flavor profile for your homemade brew. Made with high-quality wheat and rice enzymes, this starter guarantees a superior fermentation process. Enjoy the best in every batch. Crafted with care in Korea, this starter embodies the true essence of Makgeolli. Taste the heritage in every sip. This generous 16-ounce pack provides ample starter for multiple batches. You'll have plenty to share your delicious creations with friends and family. What we like. Embark on a journey of traditional Korean rice wine brewing with this starter. It provides the essential culture for authentic fermentation. If you are a homebrewer looking to create unique and traditional beverages, this is the perfect kit. What people say. The American drug culture provides a comprehensive and insightful look into the complex history and societal impact of drug use in America. This book offers a nuanced exploration of the various factors that have contributed to the drug culture, including social, economic, and political influences. Readers will find detailed analyses of different drug eras, policy changes, and the ongoing challenges associated with drug control and addiction. Number 2. Speedy Pro's American Veteran Snapback Hat. Introducing the Speedy Pro's American Veteran Snapback Hat. This hat is designed for both men and women, celebrating American veterans. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, it offers durability and a comfortable fit for everyday wear. It features a distinctive drug war embroidery, adding a unique touch and a statement of support. This snapback provides a stylish look while ensuring maximum comfort throughout the day. Whether you're a veteran or support them, this hat is a great addition to any wardrobe. Wear your pride and honor with this specially designed cap. It's a symbol of respect and remembrance. What we like. Show your support and pride with this uniquely designed hat. It features a meaningful tribute to American veterans and the drug war. If you want to make a statement and honor a significant cause, this is the accessory for you. What people say. The American drug culture is a comprehensive exploration of the historical, social, and political forces that have shaped drug use and policy in the United States. It delves into the complex interplay between various substances, from alcohol and tobacco to illicit drugs, and their impact on American society. The book provides insightful analysis of key events and figures, offering a nuanced understanding of the evolution of drug culture and its ongoing consequences. Number 1. Majestic Pure Himalayan Salt Body Scrub. Experience the luxurious touch of our Himalayan Salt Body Scrub. It's crafted to gently exfoliate your skin, revealing a smoother, softer texture. Enriched with the delicate scent of lychee oil, this scrub not only cleanses but also deeply moisturizes. Feel your skin become revitalized and hydrated. Our unique formula provides a deep cleanse, washing away impurities. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and purified after every use. Harness the natural power of Himalayan salt for effective exfoliation. It buffs away dull skin cells, promoting a healthy, radiant glow. Achieve a silky smooth finish with consistent use. This scrub is designed to transform your skin, making it feel incredibly soft and supple. Give your skin the nourishment it deserves. It works to renew your skin's appearance, leaving it looking and feeling its best. What we like. Experience deep cleansing and skin renewal with this Himalayan salt scrub. It effectively exfoliates while leaving your skin feeling soft and moisturized. If you desire smoother, healthier looking skin and enjoy a luxurious spa experience at home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The American drug culture is a comprehensive exploration of the historical, social, and economic factors that have shaped drug use and policy in the United States. It provides a nuanced understanding of the complex relationship between drugs, society, and government, offering insights into the evolution of drug laws and their impact. The book delves into various aspects of the drug culture, including the rise of different substances, the development of treatment approaches, and the ongoing debate surrounding legalization and harm reduction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.